Hello and welcome to A Practical Guide to UMA. What I plan to do in this brief introduction is give you a bit of an insight into why I've created this guide and hopefully let you see where it's leading. Then you can decide whether or not to watch the rest of the videos. Okay. So for those of you who don't know, UMA is a community-built project designed to allow people to create customizable avatars for their games. Probably the first time you come across it, you look in the App Store, think, yeah, this looks pretty cool. Look down and find some of the screenshots of absolutely amazing looking avatars and think, yes, this is for me. And then the best bit is they look up at the price tag and you see, yes, it costs nothing. So you're going to be downloading that. So as soon as most people have downloaded it, they'll dig through the folder structure, find the example scenes, and scene one, crowd, probably everybody's first example they have a look at. So if I just run this and we wait for my ancient computer to, there we go, grind these zoomers up, and wow, you look at all these different characters, all unique, yeah, all running at, well, if I wasn't recording from a screen, a reasonable frame rate, and you think, yes, this is exactly what I need for my MMO that I'm building single-handedly, that's going to beat WoW. So you think, I want to learn how to use this. You start having a look at what's going on in the folder structure here, and it doesn't give you an awful lot of a clue, so immediately you open up the manual and you have a good look through the manual, which you read from cover to cover, which, although it does explain exactly how UMA works in quite a lot of detail, it still left me with no clue whatsoever as to how to actually use it. So at this point you'll look at the other examples, you'll start to bang your head against a brick wall, and then give up and go and do something else instead. Well, just for you, I didn't do that. I spent an awful long time trying to work it out for myself. I'm not an expert coder by any means, but I do know a little bit of C#, and eventually I'd like to show you, by the time I get round to the end of this course, how to make something, well, similar to this. As you can see, I've got an UMA character standing in a courtyard. He's wearing a lovely set of armour, which is designed by the very talented Will B. Who I can run around, he can animate, he could go over and see his friends here, who are also UMA characters, who could be NPCs, they could be other players. But the point is, from that initial scene, looking at all of those UMAs, actually using them for something functional in a game. So that's the whole point of this tutorial series. So if you've had a similar experience with UMA and you'd like to actually create usable characters in the shortest possible time without having to beat your head off a wall like I did, then feel free to watch the rest of this series. Thanks for watching.